Okay, so today we are discussing about a pricing procedure. Okay, so we also calling as a pricing schema. Okay, pricing procedure, pricing schema both are same. Okay, so what is the pricing procedure? Okay, so while you purchasing the goods from the vendor, or okay, while you are maintaining any contracts or any outline agreements or any external purchasing document, so there is a some pricing components are there because every vendor have their own kind of the charges will be there. If suppose I bought some product which is from the nearest store, they say that okay, I will give the free of delivery. But somewhere you're buying the product, okay, but they're saying that we are not giving any free of delivery. So you there will be a delivery cost will be additional cost and the packing cost will be different additional cost and cover cost will be different cost. So like every vendor to vendor or it may be company to company, there might be the pricing procedure what they are following, the calculation will be different. Okay, so when you are going for implementing the any project or implementing the any kind of the pricing procedure, you must be understand about that how they are calculating, because some people what they will do, they will be basic price and do discounts, surcharges, and then they are calculating the gross price. Then after maybe they are calculating net price, then net price including tax, and then they are adding the freight charges, delivery additional cost whatever it may be, the packing charges and everything. Then they are calculating the effective price, right? So the structure is very important to what procedure they are following. Okay, what kind of the calculation they are following. So that calculation schema, okay, even pricing schema and calculation schema both are same. Okay, even we just call it as a calculation schema as well. Okay, there is no difference here. Okay, so here you need to be understand that, okay, when you are defining any pricing component, okay, or pricing type, any pricing component or any pricing type, when you are defining, okay, you must be understand that whether it is the what category it is, like what category, how, what type of the condition it is, or how it is calculation type. Okay, because if suppose see, if I'm just defining the one discount, okay, discount condition type I'm just planning to define. So then when it is a discount, what is the meaning of the discount? It is the advantage to the customer or advantage to the who are buying the product. That means it is like a negative sign, right? That means if it is a there is a product cost is 100 rupees, if they are giving the 10% discount, that means 10 rupees it will be less. That is 90 rupees. That means it is a negative sign, right? If they are saying that some freight charges will be there, okay, so freight charges are there, that freight charges they want to be, is that additional cost, or it is a additional burden, or it is like we are getting some benefits,
Additional thing.
additional cost, right? In that case it is adding to the our basic price, right? Adding to the our basic price, then it is a positive, adding to the our positive, then maybe if 100 rupees, then 10 percentage or 10 rupees, if it is saying that it is additional cost, right? So you must be understand that when you are defining any pricing component or maybe any condition type you are defining, you must be understand that what kind of the calculation it is, like positive or it is negative or it is a percentage, okay, or whatever it may be. So it may be sometimes what will be happen. Okay, my client is saying that freight charge will be there, but freight it is like a percentage of the total amount. That means if I have the 100 rupees, 10% on 100 rupees. If it is 1,000 rupees, then 10% of 1,000 rupees. If it is a 10,000, then again 10% of 10,000. So it is like they are calculating the percentage. Again, sometimes what will be again, okay, whatever the value, maybe it is a 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever it may be, I am charging fixed price. It's like a 1,000 or 2,000 rupees at that. So it's a fixed value. Sometime what will be happen? No. So I cannot go with like fixed price, or I cannot go with a percentage. I will be go per quantity. If it is a one piece, if it is one piece, then I will be charging that 100 rupees per. Okay, so 100 rupees per piece. Okay, then if it is a two pieces, then 200, three pieces 300, four pieces. So the calculation type also it is very important. Okay, condition category and calculation type and what type of the condition it is, everything it is you must be aware about it. So based on that you must be designed your conditions, pricing conditions, because as you understand that in the pricing procedure we have the gross price, okay, and we have the freight charges, and we have the discounts, and we have the taxes, and we have the surcharges. Okay, we have the miscellaneous charges, right? We have that packing charges, all these things, so many things which will be there based on the client, or whatever they're following like that. Okay, so there are so many things which is there, how you are calculating, how you are measuring, because okay, if I have the gross price is 100 rupees, then I have the discount which is like 10 percentage, then the amount which is net price which is showing that 90 rupees. Okay, now I'm just charging 10 rupees freight. If I'm charging freight 10 percentage charge, so did you calculating the 10 percentage on net price, or did you calculating on gross price? Okay, so that calculation is very important. Okay, so when they are adding effective price, if suppose it is effective price is there, okay, so then whether you calculating this net freight will be on net price, or you calculating on this price on the gross price. So how, what is the what is the requirement from the client? So that you need to be understand. Based on that you have to be design that what is the step one and what is the step two, and how the calculation and all you have to be measured that. Okay, so that procedure, that calculation structure we are defining in the pricing project. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now you understand, right? What is the condition type? Did you understand what is the condition type? It is like whether it is gross price or freight charges, or it is discount, surcharges, any tax, anything, it will be having the one condition type. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have that two kind of the condition type, which is time dependent condition type is there, and time independent condition type is there. Okay, so time dependent condition type and what type time independent condition type. So what is this two differences? Okay, if we are defined the value of the condition type in particular period, then that is called time dependent condition type. Okay, that means, okay, I say that boss 01 07 2023 to 01 12 2023. So between this period, when I have the material X from the vendor A, okay, for the plant 1100, okay, the price is 1200. That means the next 6 months or next 5 months, which is plan, this is the my plan. This is next 4 months, 5 months. This is the my fixed price. So there is no change. Okay, that means it is depending on the specific period. That is called time dependent condition type. Okay, so these kind of the time dependent condition types, we are maintaining the condition records. Clear? So once you maintain this condition record, whenever there is a matching in a PO or in the contract, in the scheduling agreement or the RFQ, wherever there is, okay, so the matching, when there is a matching between these three, the system automatically considering this price is 1200. It will come automatically. So no need to be entered manually. Clear? Is that clear? What is the time dependent?
Can you repeat once again?
Okay. Okay. So time dependent is nothing but like, suppose I am the, I have the product, like suppose I have the milk product. Okay. Milk product, which is like, let's say this is the full fat cream, full fat, full cream milk. Okay. Let's say full cream milk. It is cost of 70 rupees. So, so this is, I fixed that next 6 months, there is no change.
Okay.
Next 6 months, no change. Okay, that means I just maintain like specific period. This price is 70 rupees. Where it is like, suppose let's say it's a Visakha dairy. Okay, which is the dairy, it is a vendor dairy and Visakha firm, and when it is supplying to Hyderabad brand. Okay, so what it is agreed that in the time dependent period, so this specific period for this product, and for this vendor and this branch, their price is 70 rupees. It is fixed. So there is no change. So whenever I'm creating the PO for this full cream milk to this Visakha dairy from Hyderabad brand, the price will be 70 rupees. For next 6 months, there is no change. Okay. So that means I'm just giving time dependent. That means it's a specific period I'm just defining. Okay.
Here where we are maintaining this data, sir.
I'll just tell you. I'm just giving the example. Just understand the concept here. Then I'll go to configuration. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Then time independent. Time
Like-
independent is nothing but like, we don't know exactly the price. Okay, when I'm creating the PO, I'm just entering the manually based on the manual price. Okay, I don't have the any predefined condition records, or it may be I don't know the particular specific period, what is the price and all. When I'm creating the PO, I just to heard from the vendor or someone, there is a price where manually enter.
Okay, depends on the present price, it will change.
Every PO it will be changed.
Okay.
Every PO it's your choice to enter the manual price. So it is not it is not depending any time frame. But in the above, it is depending on time frame. It is like 6 months, it is 3 months, it's 4 months. Clear?
Okay.
Clear, Venkat? Clear? Any questions, Venkat? You there?
No question, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this data is maintaining in where generally in PAR you need to maintain, sir?
No, I'll tell you. Let's go one by one. Okay. So time dependent and condition and time versus time independent. So this is interview point of view. It's very important. Okay. They will ask that what is the difference between time dependent to time independent condition type. Okay. So here, if you see that in our standard SAP, we have PB00, okay, and PB XX. Okay, did you remember that PB00? Did you use any PB00 condition type?
We used.
We use for the gross price, no? Okay, so it is also gross price and this is also gross price. Okay, but here PB00 is there when we have the time dependent condition type. Okay, that means we will be maintaining the condition records. Okay, we'll be maintaining the condition records for a particular period, and automatically it will be captured in the PO. And time independent, when there is no time dependent condition type, you have to be entered the manually base price at the time of PO. At the time of PO or contract or schedule agreement, wherever it may be. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so you just they will ask like, okay, what is the difference between PB00 and PB XX? Why we have the two gross prices condition type? Both are the same functionality. Why they have the two? Because it is one time dependent, one is a time dependent and one is time independent. Okay, coming to this, okay, how the system knows whether the condition is time dependent or time independent. This is your question, right, Venkat?
No, he is asking like where we will maintain this price.
Correct. So this is your question or it is something different, Venkat?
No, sir, something else.
Okay, what is the question? Your question?
Sir, after completion, if it is get clear, if it is maybe it means what I'm asking, sir. You are saying that all the plant we are giving the inputs there. So in the PO you are getting that amount 70 rupees. So where means in PIR we are maintaining or where you are maintaining that data, sir?
That is only right in the condition records. I said like condition.
Okay, in condition records. Okay.
Okay, yesterday we discussed, right? Condition record is one of the master data.
Okay, sir.
Did you remember that? Yesterday we discussed. MEK1 table we are maintained condition records, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how the system knows whether it is time dependent or time independent condition type? Okay, for this, what you need to do, you need to be assigned the access sequence. If there is an access sequence, it is there. Okay, that means the condition type is time dependent condition type. Okay, so what do you mean by access sequence? What do you mean by access sequence?
No idea.
Okay, so access sequence is nothing but like it's a search strategy. Okay, so in the above, if you see that what I said in the above, I just to go with the vendor and material and branch combination, which I said that here material, vendor, plant combination. Why I should go with this combination? Maybe my client is requesting that I don't want to go with the plant. Maybe I can go with the purchasing organization. Maybe domestic purchase organization, or it may be import purchase organization, or it may be my client is asking that material group. I don't want to go with the material group I need. Okay.
Maybe supply is also important for that reason.
No. I'm just saying that the combination, it is not necessary you should go with this combination. Okay. There is no mandate. I just given the example here. Okay. So how you know these combinations must be maintained? Only these combinations we have to maintain. The other combination will not be work. How we know that? It depends on the access sequence. Okay. Okay. In the access sequence, what we are doing, this is we call as a search strategy. Okay, so what is the search strategy? Here I'm just explaining that I'm saying to the system, when this access sequence is assigned to the condition type, that condition type, when you are maintaining the condition record, okay, the combinations like I'm just saying that, okay, material and plant and vendor, then purchasing organization. Okay, this is one combination I'm just giving that. Okay, if suppose I have the material, okay, I have the purchasing organization, okay, I have the vendor, okay, then there is a one combination. Okay, so like I'm just giving that I can maintain this combination also, or I can maintain these combinations also. So in search strategy, what to be there, it is the combination of what how the condition type should be work in the PO. Okay, the combinations, how you need to be maintained your condition records, what combination it should be maintained. So it is not only like this one. Might be if I have the purchasing info record, then purchasing info record directly it will be updated. If I have the purchasing info record number, then that purchasing info record number I can take that info record having the combination of the material and vendor and purchasing PIR number. This combination I can maintain.
Like you'll be giving initially, like these are the combinations.
These are the combinations you must be used for the maintaining the condition record.
Okay.
Okay, so that you are maintaining in the search strategy. Okay, so search strategy and access sequence both are same. Okay, don't confuse on that. Okay.
Okay.
We just calling as a search strategy. Okay, so you can put bracket. Don't confuse that. It is just like understand purpose search strategy. I'm just saying. Access sequence is nothing but like it's a search strategy. What combination you want to be maintained? That combinations you are coming. So, sir, again, sir, you are saying that material plant and vendor and purchase organization. Is that something which is like a text, or it is like a some fields? Is it how it will works in the SAP? Is it will be work with a field name or it will be work with like a description?
Field.
Field name, right? Because the SAP not aware about. If suppose I just entered MAT or something, I just forgot to I and I'm just putting like this one, then system will not understood, right? So always it is like there is a one field name, technical name. That technical name it will be work based on the technical name. Okay. So then what you need to do here, you need to be create these technical combination. You have to be create first. First you have to be create these technical names. With these technical names you need to be create one combinations. Okay, now what I'm doing now, I'm just creating that. If suppose material is the MATNR technical word, I'm just saying the technical word. Then this is the WRKS, then this is the EKORG. Okay, then what is the left, it is like vendor LIFNR. Okay, so like this combination, okay, I'm just creating that one condition table.
Okay, you're giving like shortcut for material plan like that. Huh?
It's not shortcut, it is the name, field name, technical field name.
Okay, for material, na this
Table
is
level,
specification.
table level, there is a technical field names are there.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so instead of I'm just giving the description, it won't be work. It will be work based on the what the field name you are given. So you are creating first condition table. First condition table is this combination. Then second table, second condition table. Then I will be entering that MATNR. Then purchase. This time I don't want to be go with plant. I just go to LIFNR. This combination I'm just creating second condition table.
Okay.
Then these condition tables I'm assigning to my access sequence. This access sequence I assign to my condition table. So condition type. Then when it is assigned this access sequence to my condition type, then it is working as a time dependent condition type. Clear?
Okay.
So the first step, what is the first step then? What you understand here, step one is you have to be create the condition table. Condition table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that you have to create. Okay.
Like these tables already it will be the standard ones, right? Or customized.
Okay, if I have the customized one, I need to go with the customized one. There is a standard also. You can go with the customization also. Okay. Okay. Then what is the step two? So I have created a multiple condition tables. Why I need to create a multiple condition tables? Because I need to go with the different search strategies, different combinations I want to go. Maybe I cannot decide now itself because tomorrow my client is asking that no, I cannot go with this combination. I am already maintaining purchase info card. I just want to maintain that purchase info card as a combination. Okay, then you also need to be maintain that. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so the condition tables we are creating, multiple condition tables are creating with different combinations. So this is the first step. Okay, so Venkat, any questions here?
No, sir. Sir, for purchase info record, why don't you just write that field name, sir? Purchase info record material.
Okay, purchase info record. No,
Field name.
No, field name we do. Okay, this is purchase info number. It is.
Okay, sir.
EIR number. You have the in the EINE table. You have the number, right? EINE table. You have the number, right? That number. Okay. It is not purchase info record. Simple. Okay, it's not. It's number. What its number it is there. Again, the technical name it is required, right? Okay. Now the step two. What is the step two? What is the step two? Access sequence.
Access sequence.
Yeah. So this access sequence, I'm just assigning what kind of the combination you want to be. So you're assigning the condition tables. condition tables to access sequence, right? So if it is multiple condition tables are there, I can assign the multiple condition tables to one access sequence. Clear?
Okay.
So might be this combination I'm using for the some other condition types as well. Maybe I can use for the fried, I can use for some other purpose also. Okay, that's why we are creating multiple condition tables first. Then I'm just assigning what condition tables it is required for the basic price, what condition tables it is required for the fried condition type. All it will. I'm just creating a multiple access sequences with multiple condition tables. Clear?
In real time, like this combinations, MM people only will create, or
This is MM, clear MM.
Hmm.
Okay. So then this is all configuration. Okay, to set up the pricing. So if I want to smoothly create the PO with my all prices, then you must be create this design
okay.
before. Design, it is all design phase. Okay.
Okay, client will say like input like we want like this combination. Based
Combination.
on that, we have
We
to.
have to be prepared. Yeah, we have to be collect that information first. Okay. Client. Okay, from the client we have to be collect the information. Okay. Then what is the step 3? What is the step 3?
Based on that, we will have to create conditions.
So we have the condition tables, right? Already condition types are there, right? So the condition types like PBW0, FRA1, freight, discount, surcharges, like we have different condition types are there, right? Okay. So that condition type, which access sequence you want to be used. If suppose I just created, I'll just go with the example, right? If I'm suppose I just created 901 condition table, which is with the combination of the above. Then I'll just create a 902. Again, the second combination which I created. Okay, then I just created for the combination 903, which might be just go with MATKL and UKORG and LIFNR. What is MATKL? These are metal group. Okay, so these are our technical names. Okay, if you know table names and all, you can see the technical names for the fields. Okay, so now I'm just creating the access sequence for 0001, which is for the gross price. Okay, so the gross price which is for the PBW0, I'm just planning. Okay, so I'm just what I can say gross price for material. I'm just putting like this one. Okay, so then what I can assign here, I just assigning 901 and 902, two condition tables. Okay, I'm just assigning 902. Then I'll just creating 0002, which is access sequence for the gross price for non-material numbers, non-material stocks. Okay, maybe non-materials, whatever it is there. That means there is no material number for that. In that case, I will go with the material group, and I'll just putting like 903. Okay, now if I have the one condition type for the gross price, and if I have, I'm just creating one more which is like ZBB0. That is for the, again, this is for the gross price for material, and I can create one more which is like a gross price for non-material. Okay, so that means I'm just differentiating my scenarios. I'm just differentiating my scenarios. I'm just giving the example. That's all. Okay, so I can differentiate now. PBW0 is assigned the access sequence is 0001, and ZPB0 which is assigned 0002. Then what will be happen when I just maintain the condition record for PBW0? It is giving the two options like you can go with the 901 combination and 902 combination. What is the 901? Material, plan, purchasing organization, vendor. What is the 902? Material, purchase organization, then vendor. These two combination. It would be go for the PBW0. When I'm just trying to maintain the ZPB0, okay, then it will be go with the metal group. Okay, because I don't have the material number, because non-material, right? I'm just going with a metal group, purchasing organization, vendor. When these three combination which I maintain for this one 903, that means it is access sequence 0002, then I can maintain only these three combinations. I cannot maintain for above. for this process, this condition type, because the access sequence is assigned 0002, that is assigned only 903 combination. Okay, so like you can, if you define for 904, which is like I'm just to define like plant. Okay, if suppose WRKS plant and EKORG, just two, and I just taken, and maybe I can take the LIF now. So this tree combination 904. Now I just define. Now I have defined the access sequence 0004, which is for the maybe 0004 or 0003, whatever it may be, which is for the freight condition type. Freight condition. Okay, that means I just assign 904. Okay, now when I'm creating the FRA1 condition type, okay, FRA1 condition type, okay, for freight, this I just assign this access sequence 0003. That means what is the meaning of that? If I want to maintain the condition record for the freight, the system will check that what access sequence it is assigned. For this access sequence, what table it is assigned. For this table, what combination it is there. Okay, based on this, I can maintain. Clear? Is it clear
Yes, sir, it's clear.
for you?
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear, na? So again, whether it is percentage, fixed amount, and per quantity and all, it is depends on the condition type. In the condition type, in the FRA1 category, what you enter, condition type, what you enter, that is the difference again. Okay, but the combination what you are taking, it is coming from the access sequence. Okay, clear?
Okay. Sir, one more thing.
Okay.
Sir, normally for every invoices there is GST. So to get the GST also, we need to go through pricing procedure only.
Pricing procedure, but that is the tax pricing procedure, not MM pricing procedure.
Okay, tax price. Okay.
That is a FI tax procedure. Finance people, they will create a tax procedure. Okay, there they will be maintaining the tax code, input tax code, output tax code. When you are entering the input tax code in the, for if it is a purchase order, then it is input tax code. If it is a sales order, then it is a output tax code. Okay, when you are entering the input tax code, that input tax code, what condition types it is assigned, like maybe basic price and excise price and CGST, IGST, like what condition type it is there. What is that? International and national and state to local. There are so many things which is there, right? Tax condition type that will come into picture. Okay, so there it will be work based on the tax code. Here it will be work based on the pricing procedure. Clear? Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the step. This is the step. Okay. First step is condition tables. Then second step is access sequence, and third step is condition types. Okay. Then condition types again. The category, condition calculation, and condition type, what kind of condition type it is, then whether what access sequence it is required, all these things you need to be assigned. Okay, then that step 3 will be completed. In the step 3, what you are doing, you are defining that what condition type it is required, freight condition type, discount condition type, cross price, okay, any effective price, any other prices, surcharges, any other packing charges and all, it is there, you will be creating here. Okay, then in the step 4, what you are doing, in the step 4 you are doing your pricing structure, you are defining. What pricing structure, as I said in the above, right? It may be first it will be calculated basic price, then after that it will be calculated the discount, after that it will be calculated the surcharge, then after that net price, then after that tax, then net price including tax. So like it will be. Okay, so if suppose
Like
my
segregating things, huh?
segregating that how it is calculating. Okay, so if suppose my client is saying that, okay, I'll just cut this one, I'll put here, bring it down. Okay, so my client is saying that the first thing it will become basic price, like gross price. Okay, Okay, it will come gross price. Okay, this is a straightforward. There is no impact directly. There the what you enter in the condition records, or you are entering the manually condition records, whatever it may be. Okay, that will be the gross price. So there is no calculation for this one. Okay, it will be direct entry, or it will be like condition records you maintain. That is the price component here. Then what you said, they said that discount. Okay, so they're saying that discount on the gross price. On the gross price, it is they're saying that on gross price. It is not manual entry. It is calculating what you entered of 10% or 20% or whatever it may be. It is calculating on the on gross price. Okay. Okay. Again, we have separated different condition types are there. I will not tell you now what is the condition types and all, but I'm just giving the idea about it. They're saying that first initially my material, including my material having the gross price. Then if I'm giving the any discount, then discount is calculated on the my gross price. 10% on gross price. Okay, if suppose it is a 100 rupees, okay, 10% of 100 rupees is 10 rupees. Right? Clear. Then he said that maybe you have the some surcharge. Okay, you have the surcharge that is calculated on the again gross price. Suppose he is saying that surcharge will be calculated 5%, which is calculating on the gross price again. Okay, then it is a 5 rupees. Okay, here you need to be clearly understand that whether it is calculating on the gross price or whether it is calculating on the gross price plus discount. Okay, if it is gross price plus discount, that means then it should be calculated on the 90 rupees. Right, because 100 rupees minus 10, 90 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you must be understand from the client, this surcharge will be calculating directly on the gross price, or it is calculating based on the gross price minus discount. On that price you are calculating. That also you need to understand. Okay, I just mentioned here 5% on gross price. I'm not excluding the discount or including the discount. If it is including the discount, then it will be different, right? What is if it is including, then what is the cost here? If it is including the discount, if it is including the discount, what will be the effective price? Then I will just add one more thing here.
4.5 rupees.
Okay, if it is suppose they are saying that okay, gross price including a discount. Okay, that is some including discount. Then what is the cost here? 90%. Okay, so 90 rupees, right? Correct or not? 100 rupees on 100 rupees it is calculating 10 rupees. That means 10 rupees is discount. That means minus 100 rupees minus 10. It's correct, right? 100 minus 10. It is like 90 rupees. Correct, na? Because discount is minus, right? You are getting negative, right? Correct or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
if surcharge you are calculating on the gross price including discount or only on gross price, that you must be understand from the client. If it is calculating on gross price including discount, then it will be like you must be calculate 5% on 90 rupees, not 100 rupees. Right? In that case, what will be happen? The price will be 4.5 rupees, 4.50 paisa. Right? So I'm just putting like gross price including discount. On that 5% you are calculating this one. Clear? So that you need to be understand that whether how they want to be go ahead. That calculation you must be understand. Then they say that okay, including discount and surcharges, it is a net price. They're saying that it is include net price. Then net price, how it is calculating there? Okay, they're calculating that from gross price, discount and surcharge. So what is the cost at 100 minus 10 plus 5? That means 95 rupees. That is a 95 rupees is the net price. Correct? Then if they're saying that net price including tax, that means so they will be calculating the tax first, input tax. So they say that input tax on the net price. Okay, include input tax on the net price. I'm just giving the example. Okay, don't take this is the standard. Okay, I'm just giving the example. So they say the input tax on the net price, that is like a, if suppose you 10%. Okay, 10% of input tax code. Then what is the price here? What is the price? Input tax
95,
9
95.
9.5, right? Not 90%, because
Okay.
10% only, right? The actual value is this one, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 9.5, correct. Then now again I'm just calculating the net price including tax. Okay, so that in net price including tax will be like 95 plus 9.5. What is the cost here? 104.5. Correct now?
Yeah.
Then they say that now freight cost. Freight cost on, okay, on freight cost on net price including tax. Okay, if it is 10%, suppose let's say it is 10%. Then what will be happen on 104.5? It's 10%. Okay, so how it is like 10 and again 0.24, right? It's like on 4.5. Again, it is not like 45 paisa something. Okay, so then it will be around. It will become like 100 means 10. 10 plus again on 4 rupees. It is like 10.40 paisa something, which is come, right?
40.
Sorry. Hello. Somebody discuss. Somebody talking. Okay. Okay. So 10.40 paisa like, okay. So then again, if it is effective price, then finally effective price. So effective price is nothing but like at 104.5 plus, okay, 104.5 plus 10.40 paisa. That is the effective price. This is what it is like 114.90 paisa something, which is coming. This is the effective price. So the calculation, the structure and all, you need to be defined. Okay, when the client is requesting. Clear? Any questions here?
No.
Okay, so coming to this all like gross price, discounts, surcharges, net prices, input tax code, freight and other tax condition types and all, it is coming from the condition types what you defined here. That condition types you are taking and you are designing that. Again, some condition types like it is valuable and some condition type is non-valuable, like it is like a statistical, which is not impacting on the any price, any net price on that. So that again the structure you need to be defined in the pricing project. So once you design the pricing structure, okay, then you must be tell that how many pricing procedures you are defined. Maybe this is our domestic pricing procedure. Maybe import, maybe it is different. Service, maybe it is different. Consumables, maybe it is different. So how many pricing procedure you define and what kind of the vendors you must be need to get this pricing procedure. Maybe vendor to vendor, maybe there is a pricing procedure will be different, right? Again, that you need to be configured. Okay. So the fourth step is the pricing structure. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's do in the SAP system here. Okay, let's do in the SAP system. What is the time? 9:20. Okay, so let's plan to define first. What is the first step? It is condition table. Okay, let's go with the condition table. So again, as you said that we have the standard condition tables also with the combination. If you want to, you can use that as well. if you don't want to use, I want my own condition tables, then you must be defined from 9 series only. You cannot take like 801, 701, 601 like that, because till 899 the condition tables, they are already standard SAP which is already creating for the multiple processes. Okay, so if you want to be create any customization condition table, it is always you recommended that you must be use the 9 series.
Okay.
Clear now?
Yeah.
Even if you're creating any document types, if you are creating any material types, anything which you are creating customization, always you can go with the Z series, or if it is a numeric, then 9 series. If you suppose movement type it is there, you want to create a customized movement type, then you can create only 9 series. Clear?
Okay.
So please, okay, remember that condition. Okay, don't create 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Okay. Now, first step is condition table. So first I'm defining the condition table. Let's go with the condition table, how to create that. So any questions still here? Venkat?
No questions.
Okay. So now I'm just creating this one. I'll be going to SPRO, the customization steps. Now I'll be going to material management. Then I'll be going to pricing, purchasing. Then I'll be going to conditions. Where is that conditions here? This is the condition. Then you will go to define price determination process. Then you can see here there are steps are there. Go to define condition type. First you need to be define your condition type. Okay, sorry. Okay, I just need to be go to condition tables, right? First I will go to condition table. So let's see where it is there. Condition tables. You can go in the down. Maintain condition table. Okay. First you need to be defining your own condition tables. Or you can use the standard also. You can see 0 to 6 or something which is there, then the condition tables will be there. Different condition tables are there. If it is something which is 0, 3, 2, then there is a different combinations are there. Okay. So you can use what condition tables, what conditions records you want to be go, that you can create. Okay. So you can ask me that, sir, how we can know that which condition table it is there, how we know that.
Mm,
Okay. So already standard if it is
yeah.
there. Yes, sorry. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, yes, tell me.
No, same question, doubt I
Ah,
got.
okay. So what will be happen? It when it is created any condition table, whenever it is created a condition table, the system is creating that one table. Okay, that means in the standard table itself, it will be creating one condition table. Okay, whatever you combination you are creating here, that condition table will be created. Like suppose A043 is there, then this is the one combination. See, purchasing organization material type. You can see 04, this is a purchase organization material type. So this combination it is there. Okay, if I
But
just
we should know that T code kind, no? T code
it will
table.
be start with A series, A0.
Okay.
Okay, so you must be aware about that. A which start with whatever it is starting, that is for the this condition tables only. Okay, for pricing procedure.
Okay.
Okay. Again, ST pricing procedure will be different again, condition tables. And even batch determination, batch management also we have the tables creating. Okay. So everywhere it is creating. So everywhere the figure, whatever it is, A it is there. Somewhere it is B, somewhere it is C, somewhere it is D, E, F, G, H, I, like that it is there. Okay. For in that A, if it is A, then it is the pricing procedure related condition. Okay. So you can see like if I just go to A099 or something, then it is a that combination. Okay. Then you can see like you can see combination, different combinations are there. Okay. Clear? This is for the pricing procedure. Batch determination again different condition table. Condition table it will be start. Output determination also. Output determination also we are creating condition tables. Okay, so if you understand the pricing procedure, output determination process is easy, batch determination process is easy.
Okay.
Okay, so all it is the same. Clear?
Yeah.
I think you you are there right in the batch management when we're discussing about that.
Yeah, but that time I'm not clear actually.
Okay. So again, output determination, even I just clearly mentioned that they also, if you understand the batch determination process, if you understand the output determination process, pricing procedure is very easy. I said
Yeah,
that word.
yeah, you said.
Yeah. Okay. So all it is same process only. Okay.
Okay.
Now anyway, I just want to create some condition type. Okay. So I just go to create condition type. Okay. Then as per role, I'm just creating 9. So before that, what I need to see whether these condition types it is there or not there. What is already created, because so many people they are practicing, right? So I'm just checking that what series it is completed, what series it is not completed. 900 it is completed, 901, 902, 904, 904 something it is completed, 909, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 it is not there. So I'll just go with 916. Okay, clear now?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay, now I'm just going. So if it is already there, then it will give error message. System will give that okay, you already created this condition type. It is there already this condition type. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? Now the sequence, how the combinations. Okay, so again when you defining your combination, okay, when you are defining the combination, suppose I just planning to define the plan, vendor, and the material, okay, and purchasing organization. Suppose this is the combination I want to. Okay, now you need to be understand one more thing here. Okay, where you will get the multiple records here, multiple entries, for which field you will get a multiple entries.
In which field?
You will get a multiple entries. Maybe the combination will be common, but entries will be multiple entries will come. Like if suppose I'm creating the material, for this material I'm creating for the multiple plants, like that.
Okay. Purchase
Okay?
info record.
No. Here it is this combination. What is
Okay.
the lower level? What is the higher level?
So material is the lower level, plant,
Okay.
plant
So,
and purchase organization the higher level.
okay. So why? Because see, plant mostly we have 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30, 40 plants, right? Okay. And vendor again, we are anyway, we are planning to
Like count, you're saying?
1 minute, I'm getting call, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. So here what is like that? Okay, why we are saying the lower level? Because this combination, material and plant and vendor purchase organization combination, I can maintain the multiple materials. Okay, so this vendor is supplying for this plant and this purchasing organization n number of materials.
Okay.
Correct
Got
na?
it. Yeah.
Okay, so where you want to be maintained at multiple entries, that you can take as a lower level. Okay, so that means under 1100 plan, this 1000 vendor purchasing organization, domestic purchasing organization. Okay, I have done multiple materials. I can maintain a multiple materials which is combination like 100-100, which is price is 1000 rupees, then 100-110, then it is a 2000 rupees, then 100-200, then it is a 500 rupees. Like I can maintain a number of materials. So multiple materials I can get from the same vendor. So I can take material as a lower level. Clear na?
Okay. But even purchasing organizations also will be multiple, right?
Purchasing organization we have 1 or 2, right? Domestic and import, and rarely it will be like maximum it is 3 to 4 purchasing organization. Huh?
Okay. For
But
each plant, you're saying. Yeah.
maybe I have lakhs of materials, so I get the lakhs of material from the supermarket. Then whether I need to be considered supermarket the main, or it is the materials are main. Materials, right? N number of
Materials.
materials. Yeah, N number of materials I can maintain with this combination. So in that
Okay.
case, I can go with a lower level. So always you define the material in the lower level. Okay, clear?
Yeah,
Okay,
clear.
clear? Okay. So now what I can do now,
Any reason, sir, for that?
because that pick, okay, I'll just show you how it will come. Suppose this is the one entry. Okay, this is the plan. Again, this is the one entry. This is for purchasing organization. and this is for the vendor. Then I will be get that I'll just have to create this one. Just create like tables. How it will come? It is like it will come. Means at the top it will show you what it is there top level. It will show you as a single value. But in the bottom, it is come that multiple entries like material 1, material 2, material 3, material 4, material 5 again, price, what is the price, what is the price, what is the price, and
Like the format will be like this.
like it will come. The screen will come like that. The top
Okay.
level will be single values.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Clear now?
Yeah, got it.
So same combination, I can maintain a number of materials. Then that's why I'm just taking lower level piece. Okay, clear?
Okay, got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, so I'll just create the first. I'll be going to plan, or I'll just put a vendor at the top level. So where is the vendor here? I can go scroll down here in the top. You can see the scroll down. It is there. Okay, there is scroll down. You can click on the scroll down if it is not showing in the screen. Okay, just click on down. Then like you can down where it is like vendor and the other what it is. So I'm just here. Here it is there. Then you just double click on that. Double click on that. It will come like left side. Okay.
Okay, it
Then
will create one field.
yeah. Then it will be next is what is the next here?
Okay.
Go in the top again. Okay. Then I'll be come to next. What is the planning?
Plan.
Or where is the plant? This is the plant. So I'm just double click on that. Then what is the plan? Next one, purchasing organization. Then I'll be go with the purchasing organization. Then lastly, I'm just planning for the material. Then where is the material here? Here it is the material. Okay. So then once it is generated, okay, these three combinations, then you just click on the generate. So now I'm just planning to create the table. Okay.
Okay. Suppose if you are not following this order, no, any issue will happen, huh?
No, nothing will happen. It will come down and it will come in the top material. So you can create only for one material one time. So every time you need to create new record.
Okay.
One material, one material, one material, one material. You have to be create like 1 lakh times. You have to be generate this screen.
Okay, got it.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I just generated. Then here it will be ask package. Every module have the one package. When you are working as a real time, you must be ask them what package we are following. Okay, MM having that their own package, MM package, and FI package, ST package. That there will be. It is storing this data into this package. Okay, so if for the testing purpose, I'm just saving the $TMP, but in the real time, you should not save into the $TMP. $TMP is nothing but like it is temporarily packaged. It won't be work properly. Okay, if you assign in the standard in the real time, it $TMP, then it is storing in the local object. Okay.
Okay.
And whenever you're creating, you must be save, not save in the local objective. If you created in the local objective, that is not transportable. Not transportable means if you created in the development system, it is not transportable to the other quality and production system. So you must be save. Clear?
Okay.
So you must be enter your package, MM package. You should not use this $TMP and you must be save, not in the local objective. Clear, na?
Yeah.
If it is
Clear.
saved in the local objective, then it never
Only in your
be moved.
system it will save.
It will be saved in the your only server, in that server only, development server where you created. Okay, in that client only it will be saved. Clear now?
Yeah.
Now it is creating. See, you can see now my A916 table is created. Now this table, if I see refresh my entries here, okay, then the system is created this vendor plan purchasing organization material combination. Okay, so there is no entry maintained as of now, then it is coming like this. Okay, if you maintain the condition record, then it will come, the records will be updated with the condition record number. Clear?
Okay.
Any questions?
As of now, no.
Okay, the same way you can create for the next 917. Okay, with the combination of material, plant, and purchase organization, what we just planning that you can create. Okay, with
Okay.
plant and vendor, what combination you are planning to create, that you can create. Then I'll be creating plant, vendor, and material. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can see here, and you can generate. Okay, so when you are generating the combinations, it will give the message like if it is already there, the standard 363 it is there already with the same. So if you still want to go, you can go ahead, no problem. Okay, you can create a, you want to be generate, then you can generate. Clear now?
Okay. It won't overlap, like already it is.
No, it won't be over because my number is different, right? My primary key is different, A917, right? It is
Oh.
not taking, I'm not taking the standard table, right? I'm creating my own customized one.
Like other things they won't allow also, right? Before doing that
No,
numbering.
the primary case, if it is duplicate, then it won't be allowed. Primary case will be very important. The table level, how the table was generating, what basis it is generating, the primary keys are very important. Every table have the some primary keys. You can see if suppose C11, I'm just go to this one. If I have this one, okay, here you can see some primary keys will be there. Client is the primary key, you cannot change. Application is a primary key, you cannot change. Condition type, you cannot change. Like some primary keys will be there. Okay, so those are the very important. Those cannot be changed. Okay, clear? Okay, okay. Now A917 also, 916, 917 I created. Okay, now condition tables are created. Now I need to be create the access sequence. Okay, so
That's what
now
we created, we have to keep here, right?
we have to be assigned here. Okay, so you might be take the standard anything which is like cross price 0002 0001 like that you can take, or you can copying from existing one. Okay, and create that what you planning to create, that GR to something which I'm planning to create gross price. I'll just put like GRP. Okay, I'm just putting like gross price for the material. I'm just creating, and I'll just copy this one. Okay.
Okay.
So what will be happen now? It will be copied all the existing one also. Maybe other condition tables which is assigned to the previous one, all it is copied now. Okay, so what you need to do? What you need to do here? Okay, I'm just checking, enter that all the information, just copying all the information first, then save. First you just save, then you must be go in the axis, what axis it is there. Here they are using this type of this tables, this condition tables they are using this combination. So I don't want to go with all these things, right? What I can do, I can select all and delete all.
Okay, what you created, you will give.
You are deleting, and whatever I'm just planning to do, that you can add. Or if you want to keep on this one, you can keep it also, no problem. Okay, so the number sequence number, whether which one you are planning to get first, which one you want to get second, like that. If I just enter the 1, 2, 3, then my primary it will come first. Okay, so I'll just show you here 1. If I just creating 1, then what is my condition table? 916, right? 917 or 916? 917, I think.
916 also you created.
Oh, yeah, okay, let me see. 917, and the second one is 916. Okay, these two combination I created. So I just go first to select this one fields. First you have to be select field, then automatically copying here. My plant, vendor, material, all it will come. Then again I will be go select this one and just click on the fields, enter, 2 times enter, then it will be copying. Then you can go save. Okay, then you can go back. Then you can see my first it will come 916, 917. Then other things and all it will be next. So what will be happen like this one? Okay, this access sequence if I'm using for the any condition type, okay, that condition type if I'm maintaining the for the condition records, okay, if suppose get GRP if I'm maintaining for the PBW0, let's say, okay, I'm just saving that. I'm just going to my condition type. Under the condition type PBW0, I'm just planning. Okay, select and go to details. Here I'm just assigning the access sequence here, which is like ZGRP. Okay, this is the access sequence I'm just maintaining now. So whenever I'm just planning to maintain the condition records, okay, Then MEK1, if I go to MEK1, if I maintain for the PB00, okay, with combination, if you see material plant, vendor combination, vendor plant, purchasing organization combination, all this combination will come. If I deleted, this combination, then those will
Those
not
two will be
displaying. Others will not be displayed.
okay. For that condition, like these are the sequence number, like under the
Yeah.
same combinations will be.
What combination you are assigned, that combination only it will come.
We can take any combination, whatever we want.
Yeah, correct, exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, got
So like it will be maintaining that. Okay, like we are maintaining the condition types and axis sequence and condition tables. Okay, that is the combination. Okay, so then we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, there was a structure you need to define. This structure I have to explain. And the
Okay.
condition types also I have to. It will be take little bit time. Okay, half an hour
Okay,
one.
sure.
We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then.